wait.
Yeah.
No Lino.
He's saying something here.
No Lino. Yo, this is lit.
It's really good, right? It's really good.
Hello lovely people, if it's your first time on my channel, welcome to the family. Today I'm here with my guys Joe and Kelsey. Show you around the best food to eat. We just show you our culture a little bit, and then just catch up on other things.
I'm excited. I want to eat some more local food, give my opinions, talk about what we do better in Sierra Leone versus what they do in Ghana.
Some arguments.
Right. So I'm looking forward to the discussion of the food.
Absolutely. Yo, what up guys? We're here trying to figure out what we're gonna order. Yo guys, we got our food.
I'm too short.
Yeah, we're ready to eat, so we're gonna head back to the place, set up, and let you guys see what we got. Let's do it.
Okay.
We're here, we finally got our food. We are ready to dig in and eat.
Yes.
Before we do, we're just gonna go around and tell you guys what we have. Ladies first, go ahead, Yvonne.
Have some fried fish, potato, chips, and water.
What you got, Joe?
So I did some fried plantains. Always really
Ghanaian
good.
fried plantains.
Sure, yes, they are good. Ghanaian fried plantains are good. And Ghanaian Jollof.
Yeah.
You know.
The best.
It's one of the best.
The best?
One of the best.
The best.
There are some others that might be better. Maybe Sierra Leone.
The best jollof in Africa is Ghana.
It's
Period.
debatable.
Okay. So I actually got jollof.
Ghanaian jollof.
Yeah, the Ghanaian jollof with chicken. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. And I also got some plantains too. Well, originally, I am from Africa.
As we all
but,
are.
you know, from the West Indies, Caribbean, Puerto Rico, you know, St. Thomas. So, you know, we got some culture here today.
Yeah.
We're gonna try our food.
Yeah.
And today, guys, we're just gonna have a general conversation while we enjoy some of this, you know, African cuisine. Let you guys know how the food is.
Enjoy. You were talking about the vegan thing.
Yeah. So as you guys can see, I didn't order any meat in my meal. So
Yeah.
there's
He's
vegetables.
vegan.
I'm vegan.
How long have you been vegan for?
Since the middle of July.
Okay.
So this year I've decided to just do instead of try. So everything that I said I'm trying to do, I've determined to do. I just kept saying I'm trying to get my six-pack back. Hadn't seen it since 2009.
I've never seen mine, so I'm also trying.
I've had about a 4.5 pack, 5 pack. But like the last two were like split between the two. So that's just a fact.
I
Yeah.
have a 2-pack.
Okay.
The 2-pack?
Okay.
Up and down.
So you 2-pack?
Yeah.
Tupac. I decided to follow a raw vegan diet for 40 days. I knew that I would lose some weight and I would get some definition. I didn't expect to lose as much as I did.
Okay.
It was about 180 pounds, and for my height, that is heavy.
Oh.
Wait.
Yeah.
No
He's
Lino.
saying something here.
No Lino. Yo, this is lit.
It's really good, right? It's really
It's
good.
lit, period.
It's lit, it's fine. There's different levels to this, right? And so there's a lit and then there's lit, right? And so
Okay.
Sierra Leone is lit, like
Okay.
lit squared, if you will. You know, this is good, but you have to try Sierra Leone. It's great.
So you're going to try one, find us a restaurant.
Sure, we will.
Let's go there. Kels is going to be the judge of
Yes.
the two
Okay.
jollof, and
Yeah.
then we'll get back to you.
We'll
but
qualify
I know
it.
the winner is
Yeah.
Joannes,
I'm
so
gonna
I'm
qualify
not even
it.
going to argue.
I did a raw vegan diet for 40 days, and I only eat alkaline fruits and vegetables, so they were at a 7.5 pH or higher on the pH scale. And so there's this thought process by a lot of like the modern medicine men and you know, people who do a holistic healing.
Dr. Sebi?
Dr. Sebi specifically, that believed in an acid body is one that can harbor disease, and an alkaline body is not a place where disease can live. And I also did a 30-day ab challenge and then 2 other ab workouts, and I got progressively harder over 40 days. Everything changed. All the weight came off. My Thoughts were clearer. I slept better. I had more energy. My knees don't hurt as much.
That's good. Yeah, shout out to you for for realizing that.
Yeah.
I think it's important to be conscious of what you eat.
Absolutely.
Even if you do still eat meat, I would say what I do like about the jollof rice is something I was told, and it's very true. Most of the food is spicy.
Yep.
If you do not like spicy food,
Don't try.
don't try it. You better stick
Just
to it.
get your chips and stuff.
Yeah, keep it simple and plain.
You know how to cook, first of all.
Yeah.
And as you can see, I'm eating with my hands because most times here we eat with our hands. Our foods are mainly like hand-picked foods and local foods. So you can't eat bangku with the spoon and fork and knife. So that's why I'm eating with my hands.
She's in tune with the culture. You know what I mean? We still working on it.
I just love my culture.
Yeah.
We usually have different days, special days allocated for that food. Example, emutuo and granite soup made with, emutuo is made from rice into rice balls, and granite soup, peanut soup. That is on Sundays after church, you know, when you are feeling lazy to cook and stuff. Right from church, you just go to
the Sunday flow.
Emutuo joint, and you enjoy, you go back home and you're done for the day, no cooking. Wache is made with rice and beans, but we usually eat it like in the mornings. We don't do the coffee and tea and stuff, no. We just go heavy in the morning and it takes you throughout the day.
Yeah, that's interesting.
And you do jollof rice at parties too, right?
Yeah, every occasion, like weddings, birthday parties. If there's a gathering, you don't serve jollof rice, just go back home.
Right. That's also similar in Sierra Leone too. So anytime we have a get together, sad or happy, there's always jollof rice.
Yeah.
There's always a pot of jollof rice.
So yeah, the jollof rice, guys, is a really big thing here in Ghana, maybe all over Africa. It seems like everywhere you go, every type of function they have,
Every
it's always there.
gathering, there's jollof.
Yeah, why is that? Why do they?
Because it's easier to eat, and most of our local foods are a little messier. So when you go out and you have your bangku and fufu, maybe you have your Thai or your white atay, you don't want to like mess up. So it's easier to just go with the jollof rice.
Finishing up our meal, guys. So maybe we can talk about the influence of African Americans from America coming back to Africa and to Ghana or to Sierra Leone. For me, when I first got here, it was amazing because I felt like everyone was very welcoming, right? And it's my first time to the continent, to the country, and it feels good to be around people who are welcoming you. It symbolized that there's a lot of love to be spread around here,
Yes.
Yeah. What's your experience with like African Americans coming back to Ghana? Have you had good experiences? Have you guys been willing to open up and like teach them things?
Yeah, of course. I mean, we are open to teaching them about their culture, our culture, their culture that they've been missing. I'm happy that they've acknowledged that they are from Africa and they want to come here and explore and stay. So I feel like you guys have more resources to help us improve.
As an American, to hear that from someone that's from here, that makes you feel good. It makes you understand that you have value.
Right.
And you're bigger than just an American in America.
Right.
So Joe, you have dual citizenship.
Yeah.
Sierra Leone and America.
Sure.
What's your experience like?
At first, it was hard to navigate because, there's a joke in Sierra Leone. We say just come, JC, like you just come.
Yeah.
Like in the US, when they say somebody's fresh off the boat, you kind of have the same thing in Sierra Leone. But it's just joking, and it was interesting for me because it was the culture that I only saw in my mother's house, but I saw it everywhere.
Okay.
To me, Sierra Leone feels like home. And then coming to Ghana, what I love about Ghana is Ghana's openness, and you see the country flag everywhere here. And so I would say Ghanaians are very welcoming. Even going back to when Malcolm X came here, Maya Angelou came here. Many artists, Muhammad Ali came here, right? So it's been going on for so long, and so last year being the year of return, I think it was kind of like a full circle moment. And so to me, I think that everyone's welcoming here, and it shows even with Yvonne.
Going in. She's been going in on these. She's like, I'm gonna take from you, I'm gonna take from you.
Yeah, it's been really welcoming here, and I love the culture here, and that's why I moved to Ghana.
You should all move here. There are lots of lands, lots of wives for you. Yeah. Lots of girlfriends. So just come home, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
Don't stress yourself. Just come.
Come home, guys. Yo, guys, we definitely appreciate you stopping by, showing some love, enjoying the food with us. You know, we all have our channels. We're independent individuals.
Absolutely.
You know, but we come together.
to do great things.
Yeah, that's what it's about. So I definitely want you guys to go ahead, drop a comment, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, follow everyone, support everyone.
Comment and share.
You already know. There you go.
You already know.
Yeah, you
Love
guys already.
you.
All the way from Accra, Ghana, showing love to y'all.
Bye. Respect.
Respect, yes.